Hello students, in today's session we are going to solve the problems of exercise 15.2 class 10th probability. So let's begin with this. Question number 1 of this exercise says two customers Shyam and Ekta are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Tuesday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day, consecutive day and different days? Here, as we know that, we denote the total number of possible outcomes as NS. Number of sample space, that is number of total outcomes. Now, the days are from Tuesday to Saturday. Both are visiting the days. So, we make the visiting days for both the customers as Tuesday, Wednesday. First, if on Tuesday Shyam is going to the shop, whereas Ekta is also going on Tuesday. Shyam is on Tuesday, Ekta is on Wednesday. Shyam is on Tuesday, but Ekta is on Thursday. Shyam is on Tuesday, but Ekta visited on Friday. Shyam visit on Tuesday, so Ekta visit on Saturday. These are the 5 combination for the Shyam visited on Tuesday, whereas Ekta visited from Tuesday to Saturday. Similarly, we can consider Shyam visited on Wednesday, whereas Ekta visited on Tuesday to Saturday any day. So here again we get the 5 pairs of the days of visiting the shop. Similarly, when we consider Shyam visited on Thursday but Ekta on Tuesday, Shyam is on Thursday but Ekta is on Wednesday, Shyam is on Thursday but Ekta is on Thursday, Shyam is on Thursday, Ekta is on Friday. Similarly, again we get the 5 pairs of combination of days visiting the two customers to the shop. Now consider for Friday also, Friday and Tuesday, Friday and Wednesday. So when Friday Shyam visited to the shop, whereas Ekta visited on Tuesday. So Ekta visited from Tuesday to Saturday any day. But when we consider Shyam visited on Friday, so again we have 5 combinations similarly for Saturday. So here in Tuesday to Saturday, the 5 days are there, and for 5 days we are getting the 5 combinations. So we can say total number of possible outcomes are 5 into 5, that is equals to 25. Now first we have to find out the probability for both the customer visiting same day is. Now take the pairs for the same day visit to the shop: Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday and Saturday, Saturday. Here these are the 5 combinations. So this is the favorable outcomes to the event visit on the same day is 5. As we know that probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes to the event upon total number of outcomes. In the mathematical term, we can write number of A upon number of S, or NA upon NS, that is equals to 5 by 25, and both are having the common factor 5, so it will become 1 by 5. So here we can say the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day is 1 by 5. In the second one, we have to find out the probability for consecutive days. Now consecutive days is day after another day, that is Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday and Saturday. So here we can consider as, let us Shyam visited on Tuesday, where Ekta visited on Wednesday. Shyam is on Wednesday, then Ekta in next consecutive day Thursday, Shyam on Thursday but Ekta next day on Friday. Shyam is on Friday but Ekta is on Saturday. Now again, when Shyam is on Wednesday, Ekta may be on Tuesday, visit to the shop. Shyam is on Thursday, then Ekta will be on Wednesday. Shyam is on Friday, then Ekta is on Thursday, and Shyam is on Saturday, then Ekta is on Friday. Only we are considering these 4. Let me take pen. These 4 we are taking: Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday and Friday, Saturday. These are the 4 pairs of consecutive days. Now when we take the reverse of these, as first we are considering for the Shyam and second one is for Ekta. So when we reverse it, then we can get again 4 pairs. That first is for Shyam and second is for Ekta. So again these are the 4 reverse consecutive pairs of days. So total number of favorable outcomes here we get 8 or 8 consecutive days of pairs where they visit to the shop. So here the probability that both will visit the shop on consecutive day, it is denoted by probability of B, as this is the second event. In the first event we got the answer that is visited on the same day. So this we denoted by another variable B. So probability PB is NB upon NS, and put the values 8 upon 25. So here 8 and 25, they have no common factor. So we get the answer probability for both visit the shop on consecutive days 8 by 25. Now for the third one, they will visit on the different days. So as we have the probability for both the customer visiting on the same day is 1 by 5. Now when we know the probability on the same day is 1 by 5, so different day will be 1 minus 1 by 5, as probability of an event is total 1. So this on the same day probability we subtract from 1, so we get the visiting on the different days probability. So probability for both visiting on different days is equals to 1 minus probability for both visiting on the same day is 1 minus 1 by 5, or by taking the LCM we get 5 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. So we get that both will visit on the different days is probability 4 by 5. So here in this problem we get that both the customers Shyam and Ekta will visit to a shop on the same day. The probability is 1 by 5. They visit on the shop on the consecutive days is 8 by 25, and on the different days is 4 by 5. Only by using the formula probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. By applying this, we get the solution for the problems. Let's consider one more question. Second, a bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, remember this condition we have to given. The probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Only this condition we have to given. Now we don't know the number of blue balls, so let us consider the number of blue balls in the bag is y. Now the total ball will be 5 plus y. Now as the total number of balls we refer as NS, so it will become total number of possible outcomes are 5 plus 1, and favorable outcomes for blue ball is y, and favorable outcomes for red ball is 5. Now as we know that the probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes to the event upon total number of outcomes. Here we have given this condition, probability of drawing a blue ball is double that the red ball. So first of all we have to find out the probability for the red ball as well as the probability for blue ball, then only we can apply this condition. So find it out the probability of drawing a blue ball. So number of blue balls are y and total number of balls are 5 plus 5. Similarly, probability of drawing a red ball, total number of red balls are 5 and total balls in the bag 5 plus y. Now the condition applied, probability of drawing a blue ball is twice the probability of drawing a red ball. In the mathematical form we have the probability y upon 5 plus y, that is equals to 2 times 5 upon 5 plus y. In the both sides we have the same denominators 5 plus y, and here also 5 plus y. So we can get after cancellation of 5 plus y, and this 2 will multiply by 5, we get y is equals to 10. So we can say the number of blue balls in the bag is 10. So this also an application of the probability for finding the unknown balls in the bag. So I hope you will be able to solve the problems of the exercise.